Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to print from Brave browser. So guys, in order for you to print on a Wave browser, first things first, for example, open up the Brave, and for example, I want to print this website over here. So it will be google.com. Now, in order for you to print this page over here, you just simply tap on your keyboard, Control plus P. And now it will open up a window. And as you can see, these are the whole window of the Google. And as you can see, it's looking pretty good. And you will have an option over here, save as PDF. And you will have an option to select certain pages if you have multiple ones. And you will have the layout as well. And if you go for more settings, you can have the paper size over here, page per sheet, and all of the other options. And you just simply select save over here. And now select desktop or select a location. Now from that, you just simply go ahead and locate the file that you have. And for me, it will be this one, the Google PDF. And after that, just simply go ahead and click on this icon over here, print. And from here, you will have an option to select your printer over here and make sure your printer and computer are connected and powered on. And now you will have an option to select a print over here. You should utilize the print option. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.